Good morning, children. Today in the lesson, Soil Our Life, we will learn about the crops that are grown in different types of soil and also about soil erosion and conservation. Black soil. It has more amount of clay in it. It is sticky and retains water for a long time. Cotton, sugarcane and paddy are grown in this type of soil. Next is red soil. It has more amount of sand in it. It is also called as red sand soil. Groundnut and pulses are grown in this type of soil. Loamy soil. Loamy soil has equal amount of sand and clay in it. Jowar, Bengal gram, paddy are grown in this type of soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil cannot retain water. Plants like jasmine and kanakambaram are grown in this type of soil. Now what is soil erosion? Erosion is a loss of soil from land. Wind and water are constantly eroding soil. Erosion occurs when soil is transported from one location by wind and water and moved to a new location such as lakes and rivers. Soil erosion is a natural process that usually occurs slowly enough that new soil can be made to replace it. Accelerated erosion is caused by human impact on land, such as overgrazing and poor farming practices. Erosion decreases soil fertility. This causes a decrease in crop production. It takes 20 to 1200 years to form 1 inch of topsoil. Now what are the four main causes of soil erosion? First is overgrazing. Too many animals eat all the grass. Suppose animals are taken for grazing on a single spot for many days, then animals will eat away all the plants in that area. So what will happen? Due to loss of plants, the soil becomes loose and it gets eroded. Up and down plowing, water runs down the furrows. When the fields are not properly irrigated, water will run down the furrows. Deforestation. Trees provide protection and hold the soil together. So when we cut down the trees, that is when we do the deforestation, then again it leads to soil erosion. Soil exhaustion. Soils are overused and can grow no more crops. So again it also leads to soil erosion. Now what are the effects of soil erosion? Topsoil is rich in nutrients that plants need to grow. Runoff removes the topsoil from the farmland, making it difficult to grow healthy plants. Now we have to stop this soil erosion because if the soil is eroded continuously, it may lead to desertification, that is formation of deserts. So to stop the soil erosion, we need to follow certain methods. That is, we have to conserve the soil. Now what is soil conservation? Soil is a non-renewable natural resource that is necessary for plant growth. We must conserve our soil. Soil conservation is a method to maintain the fertility of the soil by protecting the soil from erosion and loss of nutrients. Methods of soil conservation. First is step farming. In this method, steps are cut into hills so that soil does not get washed away by flowing water down the hill. Next is windbreaks. Large trees are grown on the borders of the fields to stop air from eroding the soil in the field. Grass cover. Grass cover is grown in the fields when crops are not grown. This prevents soil erosion by wind or water. And again, this grass can be used by the farmers as fodder for their animals. Crop rotation. Farmers cultivate pulses after paddy. This kind of rotation of crops retains soil fertility and productivity. With this, we end with the lesson. Thank you.